Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the laptop ready. Plug it into power so Windows won't throttle the GPU and close apps that use the display. Once done, right-click the desktop and open Nvidia Control Panel. If you don't see it, open Windows Display Settings and choose Advanced Display. Make sure your drivers are current by checking GeForce Experience or Device Manager. You're doing this because outdated drivers or battery-saving modes often block custom resolutions and refresh rates. Once inside Nvidia Control Panel, navigate to Display, then change resolution. You'll see the active monitor listed. Select the laptop screen. Now pick a recommended resolution or choose a custom one. Adjust the refresh rate to match what the panel supports. If values are missing, go to Customize, right arrow, create custom resolution, and enter width, height, refresh rate, and timing carefully. Make sure to apply changes and watch the screen. If the image looks stretched, adjust scaling and aspect ratio options to preserve sharpness and proportions. After selecting the resolution and refresh rate, click Apply and confirm the change. Some screens give a 15-second revert countdown, so act quickly. Test with a video or game to verify performance and UI scaling. If the new settings cause flicker, black screen, or scaling problems, revert immediately and restart. If problems persist, uninstall drivers using Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode, then reinstall the latest Nvidia driver. This clearing step fixes corrupted settings. And
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.